Well, hello there. We are on day 5 of our 20-day STEM activity challenge. I hope you enjoyed the first 4 days where we talked about the careers of gardening and landscaping and being a veterinarian's assistant or vet tech and veterinarian. And I hope you like the activities that went with those two. So today I want to read a little book that I wrote, and it kind of goes along with those careers, and it's about a zoo manager. Ooh, have you ever thought of a career being a zoo manager and all that would entail? Everything we talked about this week would be involved in her job. So let's see what happens on her STEM career crew adventure to create the next great Band-Aid. Iggy had so much fun with Tom's class at the fun run that he was excited to get back to work and share his news with his friend Sasha. Sasha was now the zoo manager, and she had called Padma and Iggy over to the zoo for a behind-the-scenes tour. When they arrived, Padma and Iggy saw all the animals who were in the zoo clinic. Some had been ill with a skin infection and were waiting for their release back to their regular habitats. Sasha needed them to find new skin to grow from healing from an infection that ate away their skin. Padma exclaimed, "Oh, Iggy, I can help with what I just learned from Dennis." Dennis had just been researching spiders and had found a new way to use spider silk. Padma brought a tiny cage to the workbench. With her forceps, she removed a strand of silk from the web of a spider inside the cage. This spider had been spinning a web all weekend. Padma asked Iggy to go get his microscope again. Okay, right away. Iggy quickly got the scope and returned to the workbench. "What has Dennis discovered, Padma?" Iggy asked. "I've been waiting to show you how strong this silk strand under the microscope is." Padma continued and showed Iggy her new findings. "Oh my goodness," he's saying, "ouch!" Spider silk can stretch and stretch without breaking, and is being studied by scientists to make new and stronger materials. Iggy looked confused. "How can this help geckos heal and grow new skin, Padma?" Padma got a Band-Aid and explained how it would work to Iggy. "Iggy, many strands of silk will weave together on the gecko's wounds and create a new layer of skin that's much stronger." "Oh, wow, Padma, that is such a great discovery. I can't wait to share this with Sasha." Iggy smiled. They hurried to the clinic to give a demonstration of how spider silk is used like a Band-Aid to protect skin from germs and help new skin grow after an injury. Wow, that's pretty great teamwork. Padma and Tom hurried to Soap Creek the next morning and told his teacher the story. She arranged a field trip to the zoo clinic where the geckos regenerate new skin just like superheroes. When they got back from the trip, Miss Hoy asked the class to make up a story about how their favorite superhero character could use spider silk to save the day. They all had great ideas. At the end of this adventure, Sasha was relieved to know that she could help the geckos heal from their infections more quickly. Together, Padma, Iggy, Dennis, and Sasha helped Tom and his class learn another way to help others with their STEM discoveries from the career crew. The end. And at the end of each of my stories, there are the names of my career crew. So in another day, we'll talk about each of them and what job they do. But it's all a combination of science, technology, engineering, and math. So this week was science. I can't wait to tell you what's happening next week. See you soon.